my Foodie Phonics friends, this is our last letter of the alphabet to record today. We are up to letter Z, the very end of the alphabet. Before we have a look at letter Z, shall we sing our alphabet song for one last time to get to the very end? Okay, here it is. Let's start at the top. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? I have so enjoyed doing our Foodie Phonics recipes with you, right from letter A all the way through the alphabet to the very last letter Z. Thank you for joining me, but now let's have a look at our letter Z for today. Okay, here it is. I have small letter Z for words like zoo, zebra, zip. And I have big letter Z for names like Zelda, Zach, or Zoe. Okay, did you hear the sound those words start with? They all started with a Z sound. Are you ready? Z, 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 Z. That sounds very funny, doesn't it? It kind of makes the sound of a zip. Shall we listen? Put my little whoopsie daisy. Letter Z's falling asleep. Zzz. I've got a zip on my vest today. Let's listen to the sound of the zip. It makes a zzz sound. Are you ready? Zzz for zip. Did you hear? Again. Zzz for zip. That's the sound of letter Z. I can only think of one vegetable that starts with a zzz sound, and that is a zucchini. And today we're going to make Zupizza. Yummy, we're going to make pizzas with our zucchini. I wonder what your favorite pizza topping is. For my favorite pizza topping, I've got a little bit of garlic and some oregano. My jar's empty, but here's my oregano herb. You can use any of your favorite ingredients for your pizza. And I have some cheese for my pizza. Put those over there. Right. You might be able to help Mummy and Daddy because I'm using a blunt knife, but they are quite tough. So do be careful and make sure you ask Mummy and Daddy first. We're going to cut little slices of zucchini in circles. Okay. I think I'll just make 4 today so I can show you. Before I put all my ingredients on, I need to wash my hands, don't I? Okay, washer, 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 top of the hands, palm of the hands, and in between the fingers. Righto, I'm ready to make our Zuchizza. Yummy. For my zucchini pizza, I'm going to start with a little bit of garlic. I'll take the tip of my teaspoon, just a teeny tiny little bit, and I'll dot it on my pizza, and then I'll use the back of my teaspoon to flatten the garlic. Squish, squish, that's the fun part. Another little tip, and squish, squish, beautiful. Another little tip, and squish, squish, and my last one. I've only got 4 rounds of Zuchizza here. Okay, let's put the lid on. Then I'm going to take a little bit of cheese to sprinkle on my Zuchizza. Oh, yummy! It's going to be so delicious and really good for you. Okay, little bit more cheese, make it all stringy. Okay, very nice. And last of all, a little sprinkle of my oregano. A pinch in between my fingers and a sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Another little pinch in my fingers and a sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see with my board so far away. I'll bring it a little bit closer to you. There we are. There I have my 4 slices of Zuchizza ready for the oven. Now, boys and girls, this is the part you definitely have to ask Mummy or Daddy to help you with. Ovens are very hot and you can't go near them. So, Mummy and Daddy, you're going to put the oven onto grill actually. You're not going to bake them in the oven. Not too high on the grill because the cheese will burn before the pizza is cooked. And after about maybe 5-10 minutes, you'll have to test the pizza a few times. You will get these delicious, crunchy, tasty slices of Zuchizza. Yummy! What a delicious recipe to end our Foodie Phonics on, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me, right from letter A all the way to letter Z. I can't wait to see you for more Phonics next week. It'll be a surprise. Bye for now.